Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the little lock symbol next to your games or your applications on your PlayStation 4. So if you see one of those, the first thing you want to do is go up to Settings and select this, go to Account Management, and then go on down to where it says Restore Licenses. So if you become unable to use content you downloaded through the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses. Just go to this section, and most of the time this is what fixes it. Also, go to Activate as your primary PS4. Maybe you are actually kicked offline right now. You're not signed in to PlayStation Plus, and you're trying to access the game to play offline, but you can't because you didn't activate your primary PS4. So make sure this is activated right here so you can play games offline. If you don't have that activated as primary, when you go to a game, there's going to be a lock symbol next to it. So that is probably the quickest and easiest way to fix this issue. You can also try signing out and signing back in, but you need your email and password at hand to go ahead and fix that issue. So just try that, restore licenses, and activate as primary. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.